Hi, James Bowling here from the Squeaker magazine. Tremendous here to be here today. What a great crowd. The actual carnival started in 1898. That's 121 years ago. I think this is the first year it's not actually rained. But what an absolute fantastic occasion today. And this is just the start of the day. We're just about to do the parade. Tom from PDS Windows is the main sponsor. We've got various Farmac who are walking down here. This parade has got bigger and bigger every year, and we've got a lot of different community groups here which we'll go and say hello to. Where are you from? First Pudsey Brownies. Yeah, it's great to see all the first Pudsey Brownies here today.
Yeah.
Really made an effort, and thanks again to Farmac for supplying the lorries and being one of the main sponsors on the ground today.
Yeah.
Local building services. I think the float's just about to go off. They'll be looking for a winner today.
Yeah.
I reckon this must be one of the big strongest contenders today.
Right. Oh yeah.
How you doing, young man? Councillor Simon Seary.
Oh yes, I'm
Chairman of Pudsey Carnival.
Nice
Thank you very much. Yeah.
How does it feel, Simon, today? What a great crowd.
It's brilliant for the whole community. Everyone's coming out, all the local schools. So yeah, brilliant support. Thank you very much for support with the leaflet as well.
Oh no, absolutely. So who do you think's going to win today then? What's your hot pick?
Pudsey.
Well,
Pudsey's going to win, and that's it.
That's a great answer.
But no, South Roy School won the best float, and Lowtown won the best walking float.
So that's a scoop. This is the first thing you've heard. This is special
hot off the press.
All right.
They've just handed the trophies over. So
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, so fantastic. Thank you.
Lord Mayor, quick word.
Oh, yeah,
From the
okay.
Squeaker magazine.
Oh, right.
There's a local magazine. I'm not
Lady Mayoress.
Lady Mayoress. How are you doing?
No, we get the Squeaker through the door.
Oh, good man, good man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just a quick word. Are you pleased to be here today? And what's it mean to you?
We're thrilled to be here. It's the first time we've ever been to Pudsey show, which is so. Coming from Lady Mayoress is a bit more special for us.
It's one of our last engagements, which we finished on Wednesday.
Oh, you finished on Wednesday, so
We've done our year.
so you're going out with a bang.
Yes.
The Pudsey Carnival.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
precisely. Yes.
Yes. Well, we'll remember that line. I like that
All
one,
right.
Paul.
Most impressive.
Yeah, they're all dressed up. It's space. Space and science this year. And don't we look fantastic today?
Yeah.
The amount of space we're walking around in Pudsey today is truly an impressive sight.
Conserving our energy.
We're looking forward to the Pudsey 10K. Is it 15th of June, is it? 16th. I'm in the Squeaker. I couldn't remember the date.
Yes, we marshalling.
And if anybody wanted to get involved, how would they get involved?
They can go online and enter, or we're handing out forms today.
Brilliant.
And the 10K is 200 entries left, so they need to be quick now to get in.
Right, so there's 200 entries left, spaces left for the main 10K. What about the children one? Are we filled up on that?
We're not filled up on those
Right.
yet. Not sure on numbers, but still enter that.
And are you the bookmakers hot tip for the record this year for the 10K?
No, we're marshalling.
Oh, fair enough. Well, have a great day. Nice to see you. Hey, high five. How you doing? Just a quick word for the camera here. How's it feel to be one of the main sponsors today?
Fantastic.
Cheers, fella.
Thank you.
5.
Yeah. Collect lots of money for the Deep River Fund.
Fantastic offers today at Northern Mobility. If anyone's out there needing a scooter, a bit disappointed, Jennifer, that there's not a parade of scooters out there joining that flotilla going around Pudsey. Is that something they're going to be thinking about for next year?
Maybe so. I'll ask you if you can advertise for me.
Well, this is Denise Hanson, one of the Pudsey stalwarts, local business lady of the year. Denise, James from the Squeaker, how are you?
Hello James, nice to see you.
Good. How are we feeling?
Yeah, so happy, yes, lots of people coming
Yeah,
round,
yeah.
that's good. Yeah, so we've just done the advert for the Squeaker, so that's good.
Absolutely.
We get
And
lots from that.
well, thank you very much, Denise. That's
Yes,
very
I
nice.
thought you
That's
might
not even
like
loaded.
that,
And what have we got on offer today?
James. This beautiful, exciting event, chicken run. There's a cast of over 1,000 people, fantastic. Hampton Court Flower Festival, wonderful Wisley with a cream tea.
For all you green-fingered people out there, Friday the 5th of July, RHS, Hampton Court Flower Festival, Wisley and Windsor. Go and see Denise and have a chat with her. She might even give you 5% off. Just tell them that Squeaker sent you.
I will indeed.
So today we're promoting Pudsey Grangefield School.
Oh, fantastic! And they've just had some really great news I hear on the grapevine. Tell us a little bit about that, please.
So,
Helen's.
So we've recently had our Ofsted inspection in April, and we did fantastically well. So we got good across the board, including our sixth form. So we are really pleased.
Yeah, really happy.
So we've got our annual open evening. That's on Wednesday the 10th of July. So we're looking forward to welcoming all the students and families, and we've got lots of activities taking place there. So
that's absolutely
really
fantastic.
fun evening.
So just remind me of that day and the time again, Helen.
So that's Wednesday the 10th of July, and that starts at 6 p.m.
James, thank you very much for putting all our information in the Squeaker, and you'll know that we're meeting, our mission is on the 28th to the 30th of June in a marquee on Pudsey Leisure Centre car park, and everyone is welcome. Look at the Squeaker for the times.
Right. Yeah, I think it's going to be a great weekend actually. There's a lot of music, there's going to be coffee, there's going to be some great entertainment, and it's all for a great cause. So please do take a look at Squeaker or have a look at the website and get yourself and get involved on those days. Thanks very much. Thank you, Anne. Thank you.
Hi, Catherine, Hanson Travel World Choice, and we're here with 2 holidays today at the Carnival.
Nice to see you.
Yeah.
And Catherine, just tell us a bit about World Choice Travel. How long have you been in the heart of Pudsey now?
We've been in the heart of Pudsey for over 30 years. We're a family company. We're independent agents, so we can sell absolutely any company, and we can go to any destination that you want. So we're all live and work locally, so come and see our team.
Please, yeah, I would vouch for them as well. Please do come and see. What's he offering today for good folk of Pudsey and the surrounding areas?
A cruiser carnival saving of £50 off. That's redeemable up to the end of June, so come along and get your vouchers. We've got our Fever Dealing giveaway. Sweeties, and we have our hoopla.
I think they're going to be one of the must-haves in Pudsey fashion this year.
Yes. I think it's excellent. I think it's just amazing. There's more and more stalls every year. It's just great to see the community getting together.
Actually, you know what you need here? A beer tent.
Good afternoon, everybody. Oh, yes, he is. Oh, yes, he is.
Well, it's just in time for the next one. Get your tokens, share the queue. Let's go, come on.